my name is Denise Samson. I am third-year Bachelor of Science in Psychology, taking up Anatomy and Physiology as a program. Here in front of you is a 2D model of the human brain anatomy made up of paper mache and do-it-yourself paste, along with neon green yarn to serve as sutures and linings of the brain itself. Well, sutures are anatomical lines that primarily function in closing surgical wounds and connecting the lobes of the brain that participate in hemostasis. The brain consists of four major lobes: the temporal lobe, frontal, parietal, and occipital lobes. The color blue is the temporal lobe, which functions in auditory processing in the superior temporal gyrus and corresponds to Wernicke's area for language comprehension, specifically in the left temporal lobe. Also, social cognition and emotional responses are essential for people, and they influence their behavior along with the presence of semantic memory in the temporal lobe. The red one is the frontal lobe, located in the percentral gyrus, responsible for voluntary motor movements, working memory, and problem solving, which are necessary in our everyday lives. Aside from this, it is also responsible for impulse control and social behavior, depending on how people perceive their environments, which is mainly processed in the Broca's area. Well, the green one is the parietal lobe in the post-central gyrus that emphasizes pain, pressure, and touch, and other spatial awareness and perception. It allows people to explore their attitudes and attributes along with their attention span in critical tasks involving navigation and coordination of body movements. The yellow one is the occipital lobe located in the striate cortex, which perceives motion and colors and has a deep understanding of object permanence and motion dynamics in their environment. This includes face recognition, which is used to meet new people for socialization. The violet one is the cerebellum, a primary foundation of the hindbrain used for balance and body movement coordination, like learning to play a guitar and grasp the lessons we are studying. The medulla or the brainstem is connected in the spinal cord and is also a part of the brain. It is hands-on in maintaining the breathing rhythm in our bodies and any other autonomic involuntary movement like heartbeat and pressure. These two are connected in the brain to send nerve impulses and signals like when people need to cough, eat, or yawn. Overall, this human brain anatomy that keep people insane. However, if we do not take care of our mental health, even science cannot save our lives. If we care for our brain, practicing critical thinking and sleeping early to avoid losing neurotransmitters, our lives will be more productive. Once again, I am Denise Samson from 303P saying that our brain is our asset.